அருணாச்சல புத்திர ஆனந்தத்தின் மந்திரன் லோகநாயகியின் மைந்தன் உலகையே ஆள வந்த நித்யானந்தன் காவியமா ஆக்கிட்டாரு. அப்படியா? 7 கடல் தாண்டி ராசாவா வந்துட்டாரு. எல்லோருக்கும் ஊருதான் கண்டு வைக்கும், இவருக்கு தான் உலகமே கண்டு வைக்கும். சுத்தி போடுங்கடி. எல்லாம் வளமாக வாழணும், இருக்கிற நாள் எல்லாம் நமக்காக மாத்தணும். அதுக்கு இப்போது நாம் என்ன செய்யணும்? நித்யானந்தரின் சொல் கேட்டு நடக்கணும். மனிதராய் பிறந்த நம்ம எல்லாம் காக்கத்தான் கைலாசா என்னும் புது உலக கொடுத்துட்டாகவானே வந்திருக்கா. மனித ரூபா கூட்டு இருக்கா. தர்ம வேண்டும் தேரிலேறி ஞானம் வேண்டும் போரில் வென்றா. மனித குலம் வந்துருச்சி கைலாசம் தான், தந்துருச்சி சிவவாசம் தான். வந்துருச்சி கைலாசம் தான், நமக்கு தந்துருச்சி சிவவாசம் தான். வந்துருச்சி கைலாசம் தான், தந்துருச்சி சிவவாசம் தான். வந்துருச்சி கைலாசம் தான், நமக்கு தந்துருச்சி சிவவாசம் தான். சைவங்களாய் உலகை மாற்றிடணும், சக உயிரிடமூரையாடிடணும். மூன்றாம் கண்ணை திறக்க கட்டிடணும், பூலோக ஈசன் போல் வாதிடணும். சொன்னாரு நம் நித்யானந்தம், கைலாசம் மட்டும்தான் நமக்கான சொந்தம். இதுதானே சொன்னாரு நம் நித்யானந்தம், கைலாசம் மட்டும்தான் நமக்கான சொந்தம். மனித குலம் நம்ம எல்லாம் ஆயிரம் ஜென்மங்கள் எடுத்தாலும் அவரின் பாதம் பணிந்திடுவோம். கைலாய வாசம் காவி மனம் பேசும் மனித உடனாடி கடவுள் மொழி பேசும். நீராடையா கடலாண்டி இருந்தாலும் உயிரியா. கைலாய மகராசன் நீராடையா கடலாண்டி இருந்தாலும் உயிரியா. வருகிற நாள் எல்லாம் வளமாக வாழணும், இருக்கிற நாள் எல்லாம் நமக்காக மாத்தணும். அதுக்கு இப்போது நாம் என்ன செய்யணும்? நித்யானந்தரின் சொல் கேட்டு நடக்கணும். மனிதராய் பிறந்த நம்ம எல்லாம் காக்கத்தான் கைலாசா என்னும் புது உலக கொடுத்துட்டாகவானே வந்திருக்கா. மனித ரூபா கூட்டு இருக்கா. தர்ம வேண்டும் தேரிலேறி ஞானம் வேண்டும் போரில் வென்றா. மனித குலம் மீட்டெடுத்தா நம்ம எல்லாம் காக்க வந்தா. வந்துருச்சி கைலாசம் தான், வந்துருச்சி சிவவாசம் தான். வந்துருச்சி கைலாசம் தான், வந்துருச்சி சிவவாசம் தான். நித்யானந்தனே ஆனந்தனே, நித்யானந்தனே ஆனந்தனே,
நித்யானந்தனே ஆனந்தனே நித்யானந்தனே நித்யானந்தனே நித்ய
ॐ नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि परमशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. I welcome all the living, practicing Hindus, de facto Kailashians, and all the beings from all over the world. I welcome all the Sarvajñapita Kartas, Yajamans, Manifestors, Sarvaparityahis, Srimahans, Mahans, Kotaris, Tanedars, visitors, viewers, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Kailasas e-Gurukul students, Kailasas NHU students, Kailasas ministers, ambassadors, diplomats, e-diplomats, citizens, consulate generals, supporters, Mantreshwaras, Vidyeshwaras, Ganeshwaras, Lokeshwaras, Astreshwaras, and all the beings of the universe. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Paramashiva's message directly from Kailasa on this auspicious occasion of 45th Avatara Dina Mahotsava, 45th Anandotsava, 45th Avatara Dina Brahmotsava, first blessings. As a living manifestation, incarnation of Paramashiva, I bless you all, everyone, all the beings of this universe, all the devotees, disciples, everyone sitting with me all over the world, in all the adinams, ashrams, temples, centers, Padaka mandirs, universities, in the homes, connected through two-way, one-way, through social media, internet, and innernet, feeling connection internally. I bless you all. Paramashivatva praptirastu. Paramashiva anubodhi praptirastu. Paramashiva sannitya praptirastu. Paramashiva advaita anubodhi praptirastu. Paramashiva praptirastu. Paramashivanubhava praptirastu. Blessings to all of you, everyone. Let everyone have all the wishes fulfilled, achieve Paramashivatva, manifest Paramashiva Shaktis, reach Maha Kailasa. Let all the auspiciousness happen to everyone. Listen. Today the whole satsang is initiation. Every word is directly message from Paramashiva, initiation from Paramashiva, to give you all Paramashivatva, Paramashiva Advaita Anubhuti. So listen. Saranagati, surrender, is conscious, powerful, parallel, universe, synergetic, spontaneous, simultaneous trigger happening in you due to Paramashiva's decision to give you Paramadvaita Anubhuti. Listen carefully. Parallel universe is not only a reality, it is experienceable reality. I am not proposing you any sci-fi, the scientific fiction theories, theologies. I am revealing the sacred secrets, ultimate truths. Listen. Most of you feel connected with the truth I am talking. Yes, there is parallel universe, and I know when I take conscious decision to surrender, Paramashiva gives me Paramadvaita Anubhuti. Whenever he takes decision to give me Paramadvaita Anubhuti, I feel strongly, consciously Saranagati. This many of you understand, many of you click with this. Today I am going to take all of you to the next level. Listen. Most of you struggle in the zone of time. When will this be complete? When will I completely experience that Paramadvaita once and for all? Seems like it is going to be in future. Understand? The division of time as past, present, future is the delusion you carry to divide the parallel universe into singular universe. Understand? You deny your existence for less responsibility. Just to take less responsibility about life, you deny your potential, your possibility, your grandeur. Listen. You deny billions and work with millions, go on depriving yourself from the major happenings, but struggling with the small happenings and blaming the existence and Paramashiva for keeping you poor and small. Listen. Listen. Every word I am uttering, I'll make this into your experience. I am not talking scientific fiction. I am not talking any theology. I am revealing the cosmic sacred secrets as it is. 44 years over. As living manifestation, living incarnation, this being has happened on the planet Earth. 44 years over, 45th year beginning. Whatever I need to do for all of you, I am successfully doing. Today's initiation is one of the greatest gifts. I wanted to give it to all of you, the whole humanity, all the beings. Stop deciding to be small to reduce your responsibilities. Whether it is in the ordinary health level, ordinary wealth level, ordinary relationships level, ordinary life level, or the cosmic conscious existence level. Understand? Responsibility is not action, it is conscious decision. Multiple times I have explained with multiple examples. A baby can never understand what all he can do. When he grows up and his conscious identity expands, he realizes he can do millions of things which he never imagined, which he never even perceived. Same way, if you decide to manifest your conscious identity and responsibility, it is a simple conscious decision. I am repeating. Simple conscious decision. Decide consciously, you will manifest yourself in multiple universes, not just in parallel universe, in multiple universes. Listen, the currency of the multiple universe is nothing but conscious decision. Conscious decision gives you visa and all the currency you need to exist in multiple universe. Don't take my words lightly. Take it very sincerely and start contemplating. This whole year I am going to make this as an experience for all of you. The parallel universe existence, your existence here and your existence in Kailasa, is in synergy. It is spontaneous and simultaneous manifestation. It's like your father is sitting with billions of dollars for you, but you just don't want to take the responsibility and you delude yourself to just a millionaire. And in that millionaire, you start struggling. Oh, I have only 1 million. I just need 1.1 million, 1.2 million. So I am fighting, struggling, working for last 2 years to make this 1 million into 1.2 million, 3 million. Hey, listen. Relieve yourself from the fundamental delusion. Fundamental delusion is the past, present, future is separate. Listen, the moment you decide you want to be Paramashiva, there is no future at one point you will become. The present has already started smelling Paramashiva. Listen, the moment you get honey, lusty, how your body smells lust. Even if an ordinary lust can be timeless experience, it's not that You need to find your partner and start the physical activity. In future, you start smelling. No. The moment you become honey, the fantasies open up. Lusty. Your body smells. The moment you become frightened, your body smells fear. The moment you become hungry, your body smells hunger. Even if you try to sleep, in the sleep you dream of feasting. How the fundamental emotions show you your past, your future is included in your present experience of life. Consciousness is much more deeper and powerful than your fundamental patterns of lust, fear, hunger. I tell you, if you decide to become Paramashiva, it is no more a future happening going to happen. Already your being has started smelling Paramashiva. The powers have started getting triggered in your kidney, in your heart, in your lungs, in your blood, in your skin. Listen. I'm going to make this happen for you. Means merging the future possibility and making it as a present happening is called initiation. I am opening up to all of you. The moment you trust what I say, you are Paramashiva, is fundamentally truth, but you only don't know when it is going to happen. It is a distant future. Even if you develop that much trust in me, you are worthy of initiation. I give you the boon of initiation, making it as present. I can do that. Understand? When I utter a word, I am responsible. I am responsible for what I am talking. Listen intensely. How many of you feel when Swamiji says, I am Paramashiva, you are Paramashiva, I am able to trust, yes, I am Paramashiva, but maybe in the distant future I will realize it. Not immediate. Maybe at one Janma I will realize it. How many of you trust my words that much? Raise your hand. If you trust my words that much, you are qualified for initiation. Now I am initiating you. I can collapse the past and future into the present with the grace of Paramashiva and Mahakala Bhairava. I can make what you feel as the distant future possibility into present. Because only for you, past, present, future is separate. For me, it is one and the same, and I am from that zone where the past, present, future is one and the same, is embedded inside the present. The huge banyan tree which can happen is fully embedded inside a seed, including the seeds it is going to produce, and in turn, those seeds, the trees it is going to produce, the whole generation that seed is going to produce is embedded in the seed in present. The whole future possibility is the present reality in the seed. And one good news is, in the human being, because of the conscious component, the past and the future can be merged. Immediately you can be initiated to experience the distant future into present. The possibility for initiation, to receive initiation, exists in you because you are conscious. You are conscious. You are hardwired for the future possibility to become present reality. Your love surrender triggers so much of Paramadvaita in me. Don't ever think I take you for granted. Each one of you, I love each one of you. Now I am sitting personally right now with each one of you. I don't take you for granted. I don't take the time you share with me for granted. I know for so many of you, you are all from different time zones. Now India is 10:35 a.m. But I know people from all over the world, Australia, Los Angeles, Houston, all over the world, all of you are sitting. Almost all continent, almost all countries, all of you are sitting. Please understand, I sincerely appreciate all of you spending your time with me. Your time is your life. I wanted to read out each one of you who are in my two-way video conferencing and express my appreciation. I'm not taking your time for granted. I want you to know this because I'm very sincere in initiating you. I don't waste your time. Same way, I don't waste the treasure you are sharing with me. I don't take the treasure you are sharing with me for granted. Every penny you donate for Kailasa, I'm grateful to you. I may not read each name. Every penny you donate, I'm grateful to you. Same way, the talent you share with Kailasa, with me, I don't take it for granted. Please understand. So many of you share your time, treasure, talent. Understand, listen carefully. I don't take your time, treasure, talent for granted. I am sincere to you. All my guidance, support, everything is extremely sincere. I wanted to express my deep love, care, personalized individual attention to each one of you. Please listen. When you love me, show your conscious surrender. It triggers Paramadvaita in me, and I shower that back on you intensely. I give you all as living representative, living manifestation of Paramashiva, as Nijavatara of Paramashiva. I bless you all with this initiation. With intense Kundalini awakening, with powerful manifestation of these great truths in you all. Listen. Conscious surrender in you, Saranagati, Bhakti. All the spiritual conscious qualities in you are triggered from the parallel universe by Paramashiva himself. So do not worry, don't have any concern about the struggles you are going through, ups and downs. Be very clear, he is struggling. And even if he struggles, he will win. He will make it happen. So don't worry. The moment you know he is struggling, you will take responsibility with a tremendous love. Understand? A girl will not even have courage to run and escape from a stray dog. But if the same girl is having her child with her, she will fight with the lion, tiger to save her child, because the responsibility is due to love. Love triggered responsibility is an ecstasy, joy, not load. When you know all your struggles, he is struggling, you will take responsibility supported by love. Intense love triggered responsibility is ecstasy. If you understand this example, you will understand what I am saying. A girl won't even have the courage to run and save herself from a stray dog, but she will have a guts to fight with the lion or tiger if she has her child need to be protected and defended, because it is love triggered responsibility. I bless you all with love triggered responsibility. So it is not at all a responsibility, just ecstasy. Ecstasy. Pure Paramashivatva. Love triggered responsibility. Understand? Whatever truths I am sharing, initiations I am giving, I know many of you are coming with me, traveling with me. At one point, any point, if you feel, oh, at this point only I am struggling, I am caught, I am still not fully manifesting, don't worry. Struggle is not yours. Struggle is his. He is struggling. So do not worry. If you just remember he is struggling, you will decide, let me consciously then support him as much as possible. even your decision to consciously support him, love triggered responsibility makes not only responsibility, conscious, strategic decision to surrender Saranagati in you, it triggers more Paramadvaita in him because you feel the love for him. You are taking the conscious decision of Saranagati. The most powerful sacred secrets of Kailasa I am revealing. Not only revealing, initiating. Drop the fear, doubt of distant future. Okay, I am Paramashiva, I know. Swamiji is repeating this for last 26 years. Actually, 26 years we have got documentation, but I am repeating from the time I am born. 44 years. I am just a statement. You are Paramashiva. So understand. I am here to support all of you. See, this whole Kailasa itself is a conscious ecosystem I am creating where all of you will manifest these realities smoothly like a cakewalk. Kailasa is the cakewalk for Paramashivoham Satya. That's all. That's all. Deeper and deeper initiations. Deeper and deeper understanding. Clearing the knots. Breaking the patterns. Manifesting Paramashivatva in you is my continuous life. In every level, I will go on be doing it. I won't give up. So many people are messaging. They were thinking the same thought currents today morning. They were talking the same thought currents today morning. They were all having same thought currents today morning. Be very clear. This is what is living parallel universe synergetic trigger. So many people I am seeing commenting in social media, YouTube and Facebook. Oh God, this is what exactly I was thinking. It means I've already downloaded this initiation into you. It is manifesting, manifesting, manifesting. Listen, I don't take your love for granted. I don't take your time for granted. I don't take your treasure for granted. I don't take your talent for granted. I don't take you spending your life with me for granted. I sincerely appreciate each of the things you do for me and Kailasa, and I sincerely shower myself back on all of you. I am here to shower me back on all of you. Actually, I trigger first. powerful bhakti, sharanagati, consciousness from the parallel universe, synergetically, simultaneously, spontaneously, intensely as reality. So many people are messaging. I can read out a long list that having the same thought current today morning onwards. It means already Paramashiva has downloaded this initiation into all of you. Enjoy. Listen. Listen. Enjoy. Now I am making this into reality. Now I am making this into reality. Listen. Through initiation, let me reveal some more powerful cognitions directly from Paramashiva. Space loses its ability to divide in time. Listen. Listen. Let me give you from the unit 1, you will understand. Length loses its capacity to be just linear in breadth dimension. Length loses its capacity to be just linear, just normal single line, single dimension when it enters into the next dimension of breadth. Same way, length, breadth both loses its divisive capacities when it enters into depth dimension. Whenever the lower dimensions move to the higher dimensions, they lose their divisive capacities. They raise to the higher oneness. Length loses its divisive capacity, divisive duality when it enters into breadth dimension. Breadth and length both lose their divisive capacity to be in duality, short-sighted, small when it enters into the depth dimension. Length, breadth, depth, all three loses their divisive capacity to be small and dual when they enter into the time or the space dimension. When the space and time enter into the Mahakala, the Kala dimension, they lose their divisive capacity to keep the delusions and duality alive. I tell you, length, breadth, depth, time, space, all of them lose their capacity, ability to keep you divisive, deluded, small. They'll all lose their capacity when they enter into conscious dimension. Now, I'll soak you into the conscious dimension through this initiation. Through this initiation. Listen, this is my gift to all of you on my 45th Nijavatara Incarnation Avatara Manifestation Day celebration. On this auspicious day, this is my gift to all of you, soaking all of you into the conscious dimension of Paramashiva, manifesting Paramashivatva, state of Paramashiva, space of Paramashiva, powers of Paramashiva, being of Paramashiva, superconsciousness of Paramashiva, Kailasa of Paramashiva. Listen. Keeping yourself small, dual, deluded, due to no reason. Actually, that's the truth. You have no logical, rightful, rational reason why you should keep you small other than no reason. If a no reason can be considered as a reason, that's all can be told. Understand, if you just enter into the conscious dimension along with me in this intense superconscious triggering happening synergetically, spontaneously, simultaneously from the parallel universe Mahakailasa in all of us, that is enough to make the Paramadvaita into reality, day-to-day experience. Paramadvaita is not just for reaching Mahakailasa. It should be helpful for you in your life, day-to-day life, even to change the red signal into green signal in the traffic light. It should be absolutely a living manifestation, even for what you call as the smallest thing in your life to the highest thing in your life. Understand? From smallest thing in your life to highest thing in your life. Even if it clicks with you that you are Paramashiva, it may happen in distant future. Even that much it clicks with you, that is enough. You are qualified for initiation. You have a right to have initiation. You have the first fundamental right in Kailasa constitution. The first amendment is right to live, feel, manifest Paramashiva, treat yourself as Paramashiva by yourself, and get treated by others as Paramashiva, and you treating others as Paramashiva. This is the first amendment in Kailasa constitution. This is the first fundamental right given to all the Kailasa citizens. So understand, even if you click with this truth, yes, I am Paramashiva, I know, maybe distant future, sometimes maybe after 10 years, or maybe one Janma, or maybe 2, 3 Janmas, or after whenever Swamiji feels okay, it may become reality. Even if you trust that much, even if that much it clicked with you, that's enough. You are qualified for initiation. Now I'll initiate you, because the past and the future is embedded in the present, like the trees which is going to come forever are embedded in the seed of the banyan tree. Whole thing is embedded in you, and the beauty is because you are conscious, it can be manifested right now. Does not need to wait for time. Seed of the banyan tree is not that highly consciousness, it can manifest immediately the moment it is triggered, but you are trillion times more powerful than the seed of the banyan tree. Your consciousness is trillions of times, zillions of times more powerful than the banyan tree seed. It can manifest the moment it is triggered. The moment it is triggered, it can manifest. Because it is synergetic, spontaneous, simultaneous from the parallel universe Mahakailasa. As I said, just like how you don't take my presence for granted, I don't take your presence for granted. I am sincere in my love for all of you. Now, what I am triggering in you, this initiation will manifest now, intensely now, because whenever the higher dimensions take over the lower dimensions become irrelevant. Consciousness, when it takes over, the lower dimensions of past, present, future, time becomes irrelevant. Miraculously, you start living as Paramashiva now. When you see this miraculous manifestation happening, that is what you call as power manifestation of Paramashiva, which even you feel, wow, so powerful. Even which you feel, wow, so powerful. That is power manifestation of Paramashiva. So I initiate all of you now into manifesting the state of Paramashiva, space of Paramashiva, powers of Paramashiva, being of Paramashiva, super consciousness of Paramashiva, Paramatvaita of Paramashiva, Maha Kailasa of Paramashiva. let all experience live, manifest Paramashiva. Let Paramashiva be powerfully, intensely, consciously, simultaneously, spontaneously triggered from Maha Kailasa. In all of us, in Paramatvaita. Om, 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 Shiva, 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 Shivoham, 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 Paramashivoham, 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 Paramashiva, 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 Paramashiva. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om, 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 Om. Kulakundalini. Raise in all the beings and reach Dvatashanta. Realize Paramashivoham in Paramatvaita. Manifest Paramadvaita. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
உலகையே ஆள வந்த நித்யானந்தன். காவியமா ஆக்கிட்டாரு. அப்படியா? 7 கடல் தாண்டி ராசாவா வந்துட்டாரு. எல்லோருக்கும் ஊருதான் கண்டு வைக்கும், இவருக்கு தான் உலகமே கண்டு வைக்கும். சுத்தி போடுங்க.
Om, Om.
வருகிற நாளெல்லாம் வளமாக வாழணும், இருக்கிற நாளெல்லாம் நமக்காக மாத்தணும். அதுக்கு இப்போது நாம் என்ன செய்யணும்? நித்யானந்தரின் சொல் கேட்டு நடக்கணும். நம்ம எல்லாம் காக்கத்தான் புது உலக கொடுத்துட்டான். பகவானே வந்திருக்கா, மனித ரூபா கூட்டு இருக்கா. தர்மம் வேண்டும் தேரிலேறி ஞானம் வேண்டும் போரில் வென்றா. மனித குலம் வந்துருச்சு கைலாசம்தான், தந்துருச்சு சிவவாசம்தான். வந்துருச்சு கைலாசம்தான், நமக்கு தந்துருச்சு சிவவாசம்தான். வந்துருச்சு கைலாசம்தான், தந்துருச்சு சிவவாசம்தான். வந்துருச்சு கைலாசம்தான், நமக்கு தந்துருச்சு சிவவாசம்தான். சைவங்களாய் உலகை மாற்றிடணும், சக உயிரிடணும் உரையாடிடணும். மூன்றாம் கண்ணை திறக்க கண்டிடணும், பூலோக ஈசன் போல் வாழ்ந்திடணும். மனிதகுல நம்ம எல்லாம் காக்க வந்தா.
ஆளும் ஞானியை கொண்டாடுவோம், தேசம் அறிந்திட பண்பாடுவோம். 1000 ஜென்மங்கள் இருந்தாலும் அவரின் பாதம் பணிந்திடுவோம். கைலாய வாசம் காவி மனம் வீசும், மனித உடல் தாண்டி கடவுள் மொழி பேசும். கைலாய மகராசன் நீரானையா, கடல் தாண்டி இருந்தாலும் உயிர் நீயா. கைலாய மகராசன் நீரானையா, கடல் தாண்டி இருந்தாலும் உயிர் நீயா.
வருகிற நாள் எல்லாம் வளமாக வாழணும், இருக்கிற நாள் எல்லாம் நமக்காக மாத்தணும். அதுக்கு இப்போது நாம் என்ன செய்யணும்? நித்யானந்தரின் சொல் கேட்டு நடக்கணும். மனிதராய் பிறந்த நம்ம எல்லாம் காக்கத்தான் கைலாசா என்னும் புது உலக கொடுத்துட்டான். பகவானே வந்திருக்கா, மனித ரூபா பொண்ணு இருக்கா. தர்மம் வேண்டும் தேரிலேறி ஞானம் வேண்டும் போரில் வென்றா. மனித மீட்டெடுத்தா நம்ம எல்லாம் காக்க வந்தா. வந்துருச்சு கைலாசம்தான், வந்துருச்சு சிவவாசம்தான். வந்துருச்சு கைலாசம்தான், வந்துருச்சு சிவவாசம்தான். அருணாச்சல புத்திர, ஆஹா, ஆனந்தத்தின் மந்திரன், லோகநாயகியின் மைந்தன், உலகையே ஆள வந்த நித்யானந்தன். காவியமா ஆக்கிட்டாரு. அப்படியா? 7 கடல் தாண்டி ராசாவா வந்துட்டாரு. எல்லோருக்கும் ஊரு தான் கண்டு வைக்கும், இவருக்கு தான் உலகமே கண்டு வைக்கும். சுத்தி போடுகடி.
ஓம் 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 நித்யானந்த பரமசிவோஹம். ஓம் நித்யானந்த பரமசிவோஹம். ஓம் நித்யானந்த பரமசிவோஹம். We will continue to have initiation today whole day, and one more initiation in the night, Indian Standard Time, 8 p.m. Please join live today whole day, I'll be continuously triggering intense initiation in all of you. Next 24 hours, just be in a relaxed state so I can go on be triggering this initiation in you. Be available for me continuously in a relaxed state. I am continuously triggering this initiation of Paramadvaita in all of you. So with this, I bless you all, but not ending. Today, whole day, the initiation will be happening in Paramadvaita. Be available continuously. Chant Mahavagya, be unclutched, be in completion, do Ajapa Japa, be available for this spiritual manifestation, for this Paramadvaita initiation. So today's message is Paramadvaita initiation. Bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing. I bless every being. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Paramadvaitam, Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailasa, Maha Kailasa of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.